Hello and namaste everyone. First of all, welcome to my channel Code with Pooja Gupta, and I am Pooja Gupta welcoming you here. So it's day 16 of our consistency, and we are together on the day 16 for solving LeetCode DSC questions. So let's continue with the today's question. Today I took a LeetCode question. The question number is 1232 and title as the check if it is a straight line. So simply the question title implies that we have to check the particular points are representing a straight line or not. Okay, so let's continue with the description. So it's an easy level of question. Okay, so you are given an array of coordinates. Okay, so we haven't given an array name as a coordinates. So coordinate I equals to xi. So maybe you can say that the coordinate is a two-dimension array. Yes, two-dimension array, and that particular I, which means a particular at x and y point, the points are representing. Okay, represent the coordinates of a point. Check if these points make a straight line in the plane xy. So we have to check that we have given what. So continue with the example one. We saw that there is a coordinate array. Okay, and the array at a particular I, they having a 2 points x and y. Okay, so what we have to check, we have to check that a particular xy point. Okay, the coordinates are representing straight line or not. Okay, so first of all, before continue with the question, we have to understand what a straight line. Okay, so straight line. Okay, this is sorry series. Okay, what is a straight line? So a straight line will be like this. Okay, so at a particular point, a straight line, all points those are lying in the particular line, and a line which connecting all this point will be straight, so it will be straight line. Okay, let's consider one point is here and another one is here and another one is here. Okay, so either the points will be this is straight line or this is straight line. Okay, a line which is connecting all these 3 points are not a straight. Okay, so there is a no line which connect all the 3 points. Okay, so now we know that what is the equation for a straight line. Of course, y equals to mx plus c. Okay, where m is what? M is a gradient. Okay, gradient di. Okay, so what is a gradient? Gradient is a slope of a line which implies that on xy plane, what is the slope? Okay, slope implies what? The position of a tail, that what is the elevation. Okay, so mainly in this question we have to work on a slope. Okay, and there's a two ways, there are many ways to finding the slope of an equation, uh, but the most common which we will use here is the kind of like y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, also this slope will be like tan theta form. Tan theta equals to m. Okay, this is a kind of a slope, but we have to mainly focus on this formula, that m equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. We will work on this formula in the question. Okay, so in the example one, all the coordinates like coordinate 1 2 2 3 3 4 and 4 5 are these coordinates. Okay, are lies on a one plane. Okay, so output will be true. Okay, similarly, I just explained the prior example that one is lying here, another one is lying here, and another one is there. So there is no one straight line which will combine all the things. So in this question, here I will tell you that, like, the slope for this straight line is different and the slope for this straight line is different. So we will identify with the slope of a line. The slope is this is not. Okay, so it is a false. Okay, now the working with the arrays, the most important part is the constraint. So the coordinate length will be anything between two, yeah, because we need any two coordinates to find that it's a straight line or not. So we have need at least 2 points. Okay, the if the coordinate dot I length equals, okay, so in the each array, in the sub array, of course you will saw that the array of array is a 2D array. Okay, so if the array that is inside sub array will be length 2. Okay, is equal to at least there's a only two coordinates will be there, not at least or not almost, it's a at least two coordinate. Okay, and coordinates will be anything between 10 to the power minus 10 minus 10 to the power 4 to plus 10 to the power 4. Okay, and coordinate contain no duplicates point. It means there is a no same point. Then in array there is a point like 1, and 1 will be here. Okay, and after that here is a 3 4 3 3 3 3. These are coordinate for a straight line, and another one there is no fill, again will be 1 1. Okay, 1 1 will be only once in the whole array. Okay, now this is the whole briefing with about the question that how we will check the straight line. We have to just focus on the slope of a question, slope of the point or not. Okay, now continue with the boilerplate code. Okay, so class solution having we have to written boolean. Okay, that's why the type of the method is a written type of a method is a boolean. Okay, so first of all, if there is only two coordinates in the array, so what will be, of course, the two coordinates having, if the coordinates are 2, so there will be coordinate dot length equals to 2. That means it was in straight line. Okay, now we need to find x0. It will represent the int x1, int y0. Okay, int y1. Okay, now what this 4 points implies, I am explaining you here. Let's consider this line. Okay, so we have, okay, these are x, y, 0 and 0. Okay, these are x1 1 and y1. There is x and y 2. Okay, so if the this is all are in a straight line, so if the if the points having slope this will be also the slope this. Okay, so I will fix these points x1 y1 and x2 y2, and I will be moving with the this one and compare all the points. The upcoming points will be x3 y3 and so on, like x3 y3 will be shown with these points. Okay, so I am just fixing this one. So let's fix these points. What will be its co- co- coordinates x0 and y0 will be fixed here. Okay, now coordinates, it was quite big spelling here, quite, sorry, 1, I'm missing here, coordinates 1 and 0. Okay, because x will be prior, so it will be like here. Now y0, it means 0 and then 1, then again y1 y1. Okay, now these are the 4 points where I am fixing. Now after this I will use a for loop. Int I equals to 0, I is less than equal to what? Coordinate dot coordinate length minus 1. Okay, and then x. Okay, now I will taking the next two. Now I am creating another y3 and x3. Those are here to represent it, the third coordinates. So for that there are x will be the last, so it will be like kind of thing that x will be first. Okay, so first element will what will be, it will be a I and it will be a 0. Okay, and y will be the second element. This is how. Okay, now after that I will be using an if condition, that if. Okay, so now I will just explain it, that x1, sorry, yeah, y0 minus y1 and the cross product with the, sorry, x2 minus x0 will be not equal to what? Not equal to, then not equal to y2 minus y1 and then x0 minus x1. Okay, then we have to just return what? Return false. False. Okay, otherwise after the it will be true. Okay, this is what this will check that the third elements are, the slope of a third element is equals to the slope of the first and second element is not. Okay, now I'm ready to run the code, and on running the code there is something I statement, not a statement. Yeah, actually I have to just put here coordinates. Silly mistake will return into a big error, so please follow with these things. Cannot reach the last. What is this happening? Yeah, there, then it's one more, then we have to return the, wait guys, I just put a wrong variable name, but here is the x2 and y2. I just put x3 and y3. So on correcting this, I'm ready to run the code again. Yeah, this is here. Both the code are accepted and now ready to submit the code. So while submitting this code, we had quite 0 ms runtime and 43.68 MB, at least 44 at most 44 MB memory we are taken here, and here is repeating 100% keywords and here 12.95. So with this question with this submission I'm done with this question. The description and the code is here, so if you have any further doubt regarding this question, please comment down. I will definitely reply you. And guys, thank you for being with me with my 16th day of coding, and thank you for being consistent with me, and that's it. So bye bye, and please like, share and subscribe my video.